Vybz Kartel and Popcaan are finally reunited, and fans couldn't be more excited, and myself, after years of speculation about Vybz Kartel and Popcaan having tension between them. The two dancehall giants Vybz Kartel recently announced that Popcaan would make an appearance at his upcoming Freedom Street concert. This is a historic reunion. Vybz Kartel finally silenced all the rumors. World Boss and Popcaan finally back together again, making a powerful moment in dancehall history. So check out this video right now.
Papi there. Where Papi there?
Lifestyle.
Fuck off, it's a lifestyle. Don't put no cap on the dog neither.
Don't buckle to not put on cap.
Yeah, remember we no cap? I would have chain.
Chain, active you know.
Yeah, where you want Papi?
Oh, go on. Tequila. With a little piece of lime.
Bumbo clot. Whiskey sour. Up to the time.
You see?
Yeah.
Up to the time.
Up to the blood clot time.
There, no?
We have your whiskey sour.
You know,
and Papi I drink tequila.
That is it.
Once me see dog,
can't get no realer.
remember, you know, the link is very familiar. Make sure not take this because I got blood clot come off of TikTok now.
Why?
Yo, my dog, I be fuck you going with that. What this under my nose?
I'm out.
So that's the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you think about Vybz Kartel and Popcaan reuniting. Alright, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.